Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to solve this problem, and we're going to find all 12 solutions for this equation here. Okay, so guys, let's start solving. We have x to the 12 minus 4096 equals 0. Well, 4096 guys, this is um 2 to the power of 12 equals 0. So I'm going to say then that this is x to the 6 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the 6 to the power of 2 equals 0. Now we have an identity here, which is a squared minus b squared, and we can write this as a plus b, which multiplies a minus b. So from here we're going to have then x to the 6 plus 2 to the 6, right, which multiplies x to the 6 minus 2 to the 6, and then this is equal 0. Perfect. We have a product here. So now we have x to the 6 plus 2 to the 6 equals 0, and x to the 6 minus 2 to the 6 equals 0. Case 1, case 2. Let's start solving our problem from case 1. Case 1 is x to the 6 minus 2 to the 6 equals 0. I'm going to write this as x to the 3 square minus 2 to the 3 square equals 0. We're going to apply the same identity again. We're going to have then x to the 3, okay, plus 2 to the 3, which will multiply x to the 3 minus 2 to the 3 equals 0. Okay, well, now here we're going to apply two identity. First one here is a to the 3 plus b to the 3 for this one here, which is a plus b, which multiplies a square minus ab plus b square, and the other one is, just say this, plus or minus, right? So here we would say if it's positive we have this one, if it's negative we will have minus here, and here we would have a plus. Okay, so let me just write this properly, right? Because let's avoid confusion. We're gonna say x to the 3 plus, sorry, we're gonna say a cube plus b cube is a plus b, which multiplies a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube, this is a minus b, which multiplies a square plus ab plus b square. Now we can apply here for this one here. We're gonna have then x plus 2, which multiplies x squared minus the product of them, 2x, plus the second one square, which is going to be 4. For the second one here, we're going to apply the second one, which is x minus 2, right, which multiplies x squared plus 2x, and this time is positive, plus 4, and then this is equal 0. So from here guys, we have x plus 2 equals 0, right? We have x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0, and then we have x minus 2 equals 0, and x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals 0. So let's say x1 is equal negative 2, and from here we're gonna say x2 is equals 2, and x4, guys, solving this x2 comes from here, okay, and to solve this one here guys, just for us to save some time, we have that this one here is solution. Solving this equation here, we're gonna have x equals to 1 plus or minus square root of 3I. So we're gonna have then x3 equals 1 plus square root of 3, okay, 1 plus square root of 3I, and x4 is equal 1 minus square root of 3I. Okay, so and solving this one here, guys, we're gonna have x equals to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 3I. Okay, so we have then x5 is equal to 1 minus sorry, negative minus 1 plus cube square root of 3I, and x6 is going to be equal to minus 1 minus 1 plus square root of 3I. So we, from this case here, the first case here, we have 6 solutions, which are these ones here. Okay, this one and this one and this one, this one. Sorry, this one is not a solution, just both of them. So we have 6 solutions. Okay, so case 1 we got 6 solutions. So let's go for case 2. Case 2 is this one here. So case 2, guys, case 2, let me even change the color here to solve case 2. Case 2 is 6 to the x plus 2 to the x equals 0. So we're gonna apply some rules here. So we're gonna have then that this is actually x squared to the power of 3 plus 2. Okay, or I'm gonna say this is actually I'm gonna write this as, this is 64, right? This is so 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. It's more simple, much more simple. So from here we're gonna have then that this is going to be x squared plus 4, which multiplies, right, applying our identity here, which is this one here. Okay, this one here. So we have then that x squared plus 4, which multiplies x squared, this is x to the 4, and then minus 4x squared, and then plus 16, which is 4 squared, and then this is 0. So from here we have then that x squared plus 4 is equal 0, and x squared minus 4x squared plus 16 is equal 0. So we have then x squared here is going to be negative 4, and from here we're going to have x equals 2 plus or minus 2i, right, because this will be square root of negative 4. So we have then x 7 is equal to 2i, and x8, sorry, and x8 is going to be equal to negative 2i. Okay, so from here we have let's solve this as well. So let me transform this one, guys. I can actually rewrite this one as I'm gonna say that this is x, right, x squared, okay, plus 4 to the power of 2, okay, minus 12x squared. Okay, this is the same thing, just work on this, because I have minus this one here would give us x to the 4 plus 16x, right? Sorry, this would be plus 8x squared, but I have here minus 4x squared. That's why I took minus 12x squared here. Okay, so so this one here I can write this as x squared plus 4, this is square, minus, I can write this as square root of 12 x to the power of 2, and then this is 0. So now I can apply our identity, which is this one we applied first here, which is this one here. So we're gonna say then that this is x squared plus 4 minus square root of 12x, which will multiply x squared plus 4 plus 12 square root of 12x, and then this is 0. So from here, let's organize this. We're gonna have x squared minus square root of 12x plus 4, okay, and then we have x squared plus square root of 12x plus 4, and then equals 0. So from here, guys, we have then x squared minus square root of 12x plus 4 equals 0, and x squared minus square root of 12x plus 4 equals 0. So guys, solving this equation here, this is a quadratic equation. This is simple. We have a formula for this. So solving this one first, we're gonna have x equal to square root of 3 plus or minus I. Okay, it means that our x9 is going to be square root of 3 plus I, and our x10 is going to be equal square root of 3 minus I. Okay, so and solving this one here, we're going to have x equals to minus square root of 3 plus or minus I. So x11 is going to be minus 3 minus square root of 3 plus I, and x12 is going to be equal to minus 3 minus square root of 3 minus I. So guys, we solved and we found all 12 solutions for our equation. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share the video, comment and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.